Hi everyone, and welcome to my basic tutorial on how to generate normal maps with Endo2. Step 1 is the conversion setup. Okay, so when you open Endo2, Photoshop will automatically open as well. Once both programs are opened, the first thing you'll see is a create menu box and a preview cube. So the preview cube is basically a 3D model that allows you to see the changes you make with Endo2 in real time. This can be very convenient as you're able to pan, rotate and change the light source of the object. So in order to rotate the cube in any direction, simply hold down Alt and left click. If you want to change the light source of the cube, hold down Alt and right click. To move or pan the cube around, hold down left click only. So as you can see, the controls are quite straightforward. By right clicking the preview cube, it'll bring up this menu here, which then allows you to select from a variety of different shapes. So you can choose the pipe, sphere, sharp cube. You can even load in your own custom mesh, but for this tutorial we're going to stick with cube, the default. That pretty much covers the preview cube basics. Now we're going to get started on the create menu box. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is select this massive button here, new normal. And as you can see, that just gave us a new folder called normal with 3 layers. So yeah, the next thing we're going to do is select the rounded rectangle tool. Place it anywhere on the canvas, doesn't matter where. And just transform it with Control T, and basically we want it to take up the whole canvas like this. So yeah, you should have something like that. Then we're gonna transform it again, except this time hold down Shift and Alt. Grab one of the corners and drag it in, and what this does is it'll scale in proportionately. So have something close to this, I suppose. Alright, now step 2, converting. Alright, so before converting, ensure that the correct layer has been selected. In this case, it should be your rounded rectangle 1 layer, which is up here. Once it's selected, if you look at the create menu box, you'll see convert with 2 icons underneath. The left icon is shape, or should be shape, and the right icon should be normal, which it is, so we can convert. Now in some instances after the conversion, the shape folder may appear above the channel mixer. That's the channel mixer there, and as you can see, the shape folder is above it, and this will cause the converted shape to appear grey. So if this happens to you, simply move the shape layer directly under the channel mixer, and then it should be entirely purple. Now before we go further, rename the shape folder to outline by right clicking the menu box, or alternatively you can just rename it there, but it doesn't matter. So now your preview cube should now be displaying the conversion as well, as you can see here. Alright, so in the menu box you'll see many different ways to modify your normal map. At the moment we're going to be ignoring the zip and sculpt buttons here, because right now we're going to be looking at changing the direction of the normal map. So select the slant button here, and as you can see, by default it's it's up, and so what that does is it pushes out the surface of the cube. So we want to have it as down, so it's pushed in. The next thing we want to do is increase the size of the bevel shape. The bevel in the shape. So to do this, simply move the size slider up. Very simple. Basically, just have it at whatever you like. I'm going to go with a value of 22. It's up to you what you choose. And yeah, that's your result there. Very easy. So now we're going to create a simple keypad for our control panel box, and we're going to do that by starting with the base. So this process is very much the same as step 1. So again, we're gonna select the rounded rectangle tool, place it however you want. I'm gonna have the keypad up here. Then once again, click convert. And you can see the same thing happened with the shape layer. So we're just going to move that down, make it purple. And we're just going to edit this accordingly. Let's move that down a bit. Push that in there. Oh no, sorry, we're gonna actually have this one out. Increase the size a bit. Again, it doesn't matter what you have it as. It's really up to you. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now we're gonna have a screen. So again, same step. Another rectangle. So add it here. Sorry, we're actually going to use a normal rectangle for the screen. There we go. Convert. This time we're gonna make it go down so we can push the screen in. So once you're happy with your end result, you'll be able to apply that normal map in a 3D modeling program. I used Maya, and you should get something like this. Thanks a lot for watching my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.